May lami.
Na chocolate.
Coffee lang tanan. Wala chocolate flavor.
X, labay na labay.
Pila ni?
69. 59. Next one. Next.
What's the next? Next year.
Dito na, mama.
Ama, yung lang.
Okay.
Lord, please
This one.
remember be a star.
Unsa man ni siya? Biscuit.
You rate the, how would you rate this?
Ay, let's rate this, guys.
As of-
Ilan eh?
5 stars ang highest.
5 ang highest.
I would give this a 0.
Ako, 1 star lang, 1 star.
Ako 0. It tastes so bad.
Ako po 0 ko.
Why?
No, it's so
Okay,
bad.
how about this? How about this? Okay.
Nahurot, manginimot eh, so bad.
I just had my first.
This, Pringles.
This tastes good.
Good.
Not good for me.
I would give this one
Meron
a 3. I think I'll give this one a 3.
3 stars.
Yeah. 2. Mine is 2. Mine. And next is my spicy gluten.
And if she is like halang reaction, nah, she's dead.
Try there's no
Water.
na Toms. Okay.
And Ma, you have to hold up that. Unsa ma?
Sa lang kamay lang sa.
Halang?
At yummy. X.
Unsa? Orange core. Did you give it?
This is worth 39 pesos. And I rate it 5 ang highest, no? 3.
Let's go.
3 para di masayang, 39.
Uy, bastos kay kayo, ibutang. Imong gibalik?
It tastes so bad. I would give this a 0.
Imong gibalik, Rosaya? Bastos kay ko, Rosaya.
Rosaya, dili nga na Rosaya. Bastos kayo na.
Oh, sorry.
Sordid lang.
Uy.
Car.
Try ko.
Try.
Ah.
No.
At nasa ko sa packaging. Para pag mag-buy ang mga friends, kabalo sila nga kani is 5. Muna siya guys. Ang rate ni ate is 5.
Aman tong kwarta lang.
So, akong rate, my rate is, let's try. Let's try.
Beware, cause the jelly in the
Yeah, it's good.
what?
It's good.
It's peelable candy. It's like when you peel the candy, there's like a mini stuffing inside, like mochi.
Yeah, it's good.
What would you rate it?
5-2. I love it. Ang sabi?
Mine is the winner!
Ang product name kay Sakuragi Superman Blind Box Peelable Gummy Candy. It's strawberry. It's okay na.
Dirty.
Okay na. Let her peel. Let her peel.
You don't need to peel
Sige.
it, ate.
Your rating. 5 ang mo ani ate. 5. I love it. How about you pa? Kasi mong rate.
0 kay dirty gan si ate.
No, don't eat.
Labot sa product ang girit. Ang gamot ng girit. Okay. Where's my cucumber, be?
5.
Yay.
Looks fun. Dapat kuan ka ng sana ziplock. So next is this one. This cucumber. Yoyman cucumber spicy flavor. Ooh! So each na siya. Nice.
Finally, napakit.
Nice. Gani, para dili pagbili na ko mahurot siya. Wala easy open. Dili siya easy open. So 4.5 na lang. Dili siya easy open. Kung 5 ni siya,
Hugaw na ka.
hindi siya. That is why.
Manawagaw ka. So,
Ooh! Looks like this, guys.
pickles.
For the vlog.
Get ready, what? I'm actually feeling bad.
I feel like it's really so spicy kayo. I love it.
Whatever you like, I don't trust.
Yummy to.
You think it's yummy pa? I don't think.
It's crispy.
Oh, it's crispy even though the sauce.
Crispy and spicy.
Even if na siya sa sauce.
The taste, what does it taste like?
Tastes like
So spicy and not yummy.
tastes like nothing because it's spicy na lang.
That's kind of true.
So my rate is like 3.5.
I wasted my money that Tita Marilo gave me, and
Why
then
wasted man? Why waste?
because sometimes the food is not like yummy.
It's not waste because you get to know. You get to try.
You get to try. You get to.
But sometimes
It's not a waste if you get the experience.
actually,
Really did sa birthday party.
this,
Oh,
and then I gotta keep you.
I love you.
Is it cool to and with
Two,
bike
two.
in the far if magpasko me, and then no need for me to walk, just bike.
Dili man sa Pasko magbay.
Right?
Wala
Huh?
may kay Makis.
Huh?
Karon ba di magbay pa?
Yeah.
Karon di pa?
You wanna hear proof? You wanna hear proof, Ma? Ma, you wanna hear proof? You wanna hear proof so bad that you would buy it. You wanna see? I'll show you. I'll show you the
I cannot see. I'm closing my eyes. How can I see?
And tomorrow. Just like. Can we buy my bike tomorrow? Please, Ma. See? See?
Ala, wala siya kakita. Nag-anak ko lang.
No, Ma.
Oh, I saw it.
Yes.
I said yes.
But my answers are no.
Oh.
But she keeps on insisting man.
Nag-yes ka.
So I say yes, but I did this. Laka nihilak. Nihilak man.
No more bye.